encourage you to continue your pursuit of excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rand. At this time, I would ask Dr. Medford and Mr. Andy Wood, President of the Board of Trustees, to please come to the podium to present the graduating class and confer the degrees and certificates.
Thank you, Dr. Coker. At this time, will the faculty of Broward College please rise and stand with me now for the presentation of our graduates. Will all the candidates for degrees and certificates please rise. Mr. Wood, on behalf of the faculty and administration, I hereby certify that these candidates for graduation have met the requirements established in their respective fields of study as stipulated by the board and by the state of Missouri, and are entitled to receive their degrees and certificates with all of the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereunto. I am proud to present to you, sir, the fall 2017 graduating class of Broward.
Thank you, Dr. Medford. Representing the Board of Trustees of Broward College, it is my honor to confer upon each of you the degree or certificate that you have earned as certified by this faculty and in accordance with the requirements of this board and the state of Missouri. Congratulations.
Faculty, you may be seated. At this time, I would ask only the first row of graduates to please remain standing, and all other graduates may be seated. Mr. J.P. Dickey, Broward College Admissions Director, and Mr. Lonnie Padgett, Broward College Director of the Nevada Center, will now assist us in conferring the degree.
Tyler Ellers, Associate of Arts, General Agricultural.
Cho đuôi vậy chỉ cởi trong hàng.
Katie Suzanne Briscoe, Associate of Arts, General Agricultural, Ag Business Option. Amy Lynn Jordan, Associate of Arts, General Agriculture, Animal Science Option. Zoe Marguerite Annette McCoy, Associate of Arts, Art and Design. Lillian Smith, Associate of Arts, Biology. Darcy Musser, Associate of Arts, Biology. Leona J. Bell, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Emily Faith Lanning, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Tammy Michael, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Pamela C. Merriman, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Sarah Ann House, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Joshua Shane Robbins, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Winter Cheyenne Weeks, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Shasta Chantel Sanders, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Karen Louise Perryman, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Marvin A. Villataro, Associate of Arts, Business Administration. Israel McCartney Rocha, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice. Alejandro Roque, a Criminal Justice, Associate of Arts. Sierra Dawn Gunter, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice. Diana Riviera, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice. Jessica Ray Sanders, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice. Kyle Utter, Associate of Arts, General Studies. Riley Odenbrink, Associate of Arts, General Studies. Lindsay Johnson, Associate of Arts, General Studies.